In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photos into Ghibli art in Chat GPT, kind of like the ones that you can see on screen right now. And this is really simple. All you need to be is signed into Chat GPT either on your phone or on the desktop version, just like I have here. And what you need to do is go over to where you have the plus icon right here where it says upload files and more. And what you need to do is go over to upload from computer, and you need to pick the photo that you actually want to turn into the Ghibli image. So as you can see, I have this one of myself that I'm just going to upload right now. And all you need to do in the chat bar is basically tell ChatGPT to turn it into a Ghibli image. So let's say turn this into a Ghibli art, please. I think I'm saying that right. So let's go ahead and click enter. From here, it's just basically going to say get started, and it's going to eventually say creating this image. This will take 3 to 4 minutes to do, or maybe even longer. It all depends on your internet connection and how busy ChatGPT is at the time, so do be patient with it. One thing to mention whilst this is loading as well is that if you are on the free plan, you only get 1 or 2 chances to do this per day before you actually meet the quota. So make sure that if you are planning on doing some images, you pick the ones that you actually want to do. Otherwise, you may have to wait another 24 hours. Obviously, if you're on the pro plan, you can make as many as you want. And after 3 or 4 minutes, as you can see, it has created the Ghibli image art based on the photo that I've given it. If you actually look at that one right there, I think that's a pretty good reflection of what I've actually given it to make. And if you wanted to take it anywhere else, all you need to do is go over to where it says download, click download, and this is going to download it onto your computer, as you can see right here, and you can just do whatever you want with it. So that's how you make a Ghibli art in ChatGPT. Hope this video helped.